I've been very fortunate to live my life in a magical little part of the world. I'm accustomed to beautiful scenery and abundant wildlife. I appreciate where I live very much, but one thing I never got to do was experience it for the first time. I never got to experience the magnificent Teton Range exploding into view for the first time as you drive up Fish Hatchery Hill. I don't remember the first time I saw a wild grizzly bear, or the first time I heard a bugling elk. Those things just happened and were never acknowledged as being special. But then there's Africa. Even just saying the word conjures up vivid mental pictures and wild imaginings. There is only ever one opportunity to visit Africa for the first time, and my opportunity happened in February. I was determined to soak up every last morsel of experience. Equipped with 100 pounds of state-of-the-art camera gear, I was as prepared as I could be. I was photographically prepared, and I was mentally prepared for the emotions and adrenaline as the eastern part of the continent began to reveal itself to me. My hopes and expectations were lofty, sky high, and worthy of a transcontinental journey to a place brimming with mythical aura, legend, and mystique. When expectations are high, it's common to be disappointed. But a handful of times in your life, even when you have unrealistically high expectations, those expectations are exceeded. This trip was one of those times. This video will represent a tiny fraction of what was experienced on this, my first African safari. It will not even begin to convey the scope of the magical landscape, the abundant, charismatic wildlife, the exceptionally warm and friendly people, or the life-altering sense of adventure. But I do hope that it will spark your curiosity, ignite your sense of wonder, and inspire you to think about what an African photo safari could mean to you. Please enjoy the imagery that follows. As photographers, images are such an important part of our lives, and I'm so very grateful that I had the opportunity to create these images and that I have an outlet to share them with you. Please enjoy.
Not very far, but
it was just there, remember that?
yeah.
So I think up there during the day, because it's just covered with the grasses, are really warm than here. Because here you see it's kind of like black soil.
Muddy.
Yeah, muddy. Kazi yake ni ndo anazirusha video, anaseti hiyo video kaajiriwa, kwa hiyo anachukua kuwatumia.
I think he's talking about me.
How you doing? Keep rolling in Africa.
Keep rolling. Cool. Now where did they go?